Okay, YouTube, I'm here to show you some cool Traxxas trucks. The first one you're looking at is my daughter's truck. She's got the Courtney Force Edition. This is the new body she has out. We just installed some 2.8-inch trenchers on there. Gives it a nice look, mean stance. It's very good looking. Hers is a 4-wheel drive slash. You can see a little more side view on that thing. Looks really good, jumps really well. She has a lot of fun with it. There's the rear end on it, right there. A little bit better right here. Gonna have to lower it in the back end just a tad, I think. Alright, let's move that one aside. Here's my son's. He's got the Duck Dynasty theme on there. We just put the new TSL Super Swampers on there. 2.8-inch. And look at that thing. That thing looks mean. Got the nice elk on top. Little pheasant right there. Tried to do a little camouflage paint with the green and brown. Let's twist this one aside for you. It's got a mean looking stance. Haven't put any numbers on it yet, but we will. Gonna let him choose the numbers. Here's the back end on it. Gotta lower it a little bit, I think. There's another side right there. Man, that thing looks good. There's the front end on that one. Those TSL Super Swampers look really good on that truck. And then here's mine. Dad's truck, the old man. I also have the Super Swampers. No, actually I have the trenchers on there. Proline trenchers. Got a little STP thing. These run well, they jump well. The turning radius on them is totally fine with these big tires. Once again, 2.8-inch. On mine, I got the 17mm hubs. On my daughter, she's got the 12mm, running the Millennium system. On mine, I'm running a Castle system. 2200 kV on mine. And then on my son's, he's got the 2-wheel drive edition. So we're gonna have to upgrade him shortly. But those are the 3 trucks. They look good, run well, and you should upgrade yours also. Thanks, YouTube.